99, 100. I'm coming! I can see you, Floyd.
How'd you do that? Did you cheat?
How dare you? No, I didn't. I always win at hide and seek. Let's play
Tug
another
of
game.
war?
I'd probably win that for sure, too.
You're too hard to please.
It's all melting.
Warm weather's coming.
I like snow more.
We always play what you want.
That's not true.
Don't fight. Come on, enjoy the view. It's springtime.
It's true. The leaves are growing on the trees.
Deer standing like statues.
Strange.
Maybe it's a kind of deer exercise.
That's ridiculous.
Oh, really? What does the deer expert say?
I don't really know. Maybe...
Let's go and ask him.
Feathers up! Feathers up!
Good morning, dear.
Good morning. Birds in an airship.
Yes, that's right. We're the Bird Squad.
We fly around the world in this airship.
We help animals in danger.
In danger? Oh, maybe you can help me then.
Yes, tell us how.
My name is Dean, and I lost my brother, Dirk.
Lost? Where? How?
I don't know. Yesterday we were together when I turned round and he wasn't there anymore.
Do you think he was playing hide and seek?
No, we weren't playing. I looked for him throughout the valley and then I climbed up here hoping to see him, but I couldn't find him.
Hop on board. We'll look for him together.
Last time I saw Dirk, we were running and I was ahead of him.
Do you remember the route you took?
We went down from the top of the mountain along the river, then we turned under the chairlift to go to the other side.
You mean over there?
Exactly, we were right there.
Let's have a look around.
Melting snow.
Green treetops.
A flying deer.
Huh? Dirk!
Wow, how in the world did he get up there?
He may fall!
We must hurry. Feathers up!
Hey, you're Dirk, right?
Yeah, that's right. How do you know my name?
Hi, Dirk. We're the Bird Squad.
Dean's looking for you.
Dirk, what are you doing on the lift?
What about you?
How did you get here?
Well, we were running around to celebrate the warm weather and spring as usual. It was also the last ride of the chairlift. To make it short, I was leaping and running when suddenly my antlers were grabbed and brought me here. Then, everything stopped moving and here I am, stuck.
I didn't notice anything.
It's time to free you. Let's saw off his antlers.
What? That would be dishonorable.
Maybe we can free the antlers without having to saw them.
Right. That's child's play.
A game? Oh, yes, I'll do it.
Hey, be careful.
Yeah, be careful.
Ding dong, ding dong, ding dong, ding dong.
Hey! Stop!
Floyd, stop!
He's almost unhooked.
Hey! Tell your friend that deer don't fly!
What about the flying deer?
Those are insects.
Are you an insect?
Stop saying silly things. I have a good idea. Girls, aren't you acrobats?
Yes, of course.
Follow me. A long time ago, when I was in a circus, the humans made me skate on ice. Anyway, there were some trapeze artists that would jump in the air. Beneath them, there was a safety net to keep them from falling onto the ground.
But you know, we don't have a net.
You're wrong. I have one. It's a souvenir of a swim I had a couple of weeks ago in the North Sea. I bumped into it, so...
Fish the deer?
Duck Acrobatic Squad, hurry up, fly, and put the net beneath Dirk, and then tie it to the 4 trees.
Did you hear, girls? We've got a net to put. I'll count to 3. 1, 2, 3! Hey, it was my 3.
Girls, did you finish?
Do you think everything's okay down there?
We're almost finished. Get ready. Something went wrong.
You're so clumsy.
Hey! I think I'm gonna...
We can't let him flap around like a tablecloth hung to dry.
A tablecloth. Last summer, I was in a city by the sea. There were clothes hanging above the streets from side to side. The humans pulled the line in to get the clothes. I know what to do. Let's make the chairlift move.
How?
Pulling the cable.
Tug of war! I'll do it! I'll do it!
Floyd, stop! Penny, quick, the mooring line!
Okay, got it.
Quick, Humphrey, tie it to the chair.
Done.
It's not fair. You're playing with him.
Excellent. Penny, pull it.
I really couldn't wait.
Help him, Floyd.
Yeah, sure.
No, not that way. Pull towards the other way.
Are you sure?
Hooray!
It works!
Almost there!
Oh no!
Oh no!
I'm okay. Thank you!
Hooray!
Bird Squad, we can't thank you enough.
It was also fun. We'll dedicate our next race to you.
Oh, thanks.
It's an honor to...
We'll dedicate our next fight to you. I'm sorry, Penny.
This has been the best tug of war of my life.
We'd also like to thank your acrobat friends.
The Ducks!
Oh, at last.
Hold on, girls.
We'll get you out of there.
What are you laughing at, stupid mosquito?
Calm down. Don't start arguing.
The important thing is to be quick.
The important thing is to always brush your teeth.
Latest news update. Early this morning, the chairlift at Mont Trapicone started to work on its own. This is all the more amazing because the lift system was closed down with the end of the ski season. To top it off, Witnesses claim they saw a deer hovering about in the air. Zoologists and engineers are working to shed some light on this mystery.